Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video for you guys. Today I'm just going to take all this random novelties and stuff and do them outside and just have some fun. So let's go. Alright, so here we go. I might do some slow-mo shots of some of this stuff. So let's just start off with the smoke bombs or whatnot, and then the jumping jacks or whatnot in the snow. So this is going to be interesting. So let's get going. The first one I'm going to start with is probably some smoke bombs, because why not? So put this over here in the snow and just light it. Should be pretty cool. Whew. Oh, that's cool. That was pretty cool. Look at the leftover. Look how blue the snow is. Alright, here goes some jumping jacks. I'm going to do one in the snow first, and then I'm going to do three at once in the snow. So here we go. Here goes just one. I can hit the light. There we go. Well, that was actually a pretty cool echo. Alright. Try to hit all three at once, but this might not work out, but we'll see. Alright, there's a two, and then I gotta get the other one. Let's see how this works. Right, here goes all three. Couldn't get them off. Oh, that was pretty cool in the snow. Alright, let's see what else I can find. Here goes rocket parachute times 2 if I can get them both. There we go. Right on top of the house for that one, and that one obviously failed big time because it didn't even leave the ground. And here's the parachute way over here. Crazy. Here goes some flashing fountains. Got one laying down in the snow and one standing up. So here we go. Short but sweet. Obviously pretty lame, right? The Colossal Smoke Bomb, here we go. This one cost me about $9. Sorry, the wind's changing like crazy, blowing right into my face. Obviously way better. Let me know in the comments which one you thought was better.
Jeg spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløden som om hver dag var en lørdag. Så mange dager